Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Technology and Automation. This is Harish Gaupale. In my last video, I have covered a little about string and the functions of some tools from the string palette. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain you about functions of remaining tools from the string palette. So let's move towards the lab overview window. Click on this blank VI and then click Control and T. Okay, it splits the both front panel and block diagram. So now first we create string. So for that, right click, go to the string and path palette, click on this string control, kept here. Okay, and then write something like India is my country. Okay, now uh, again we create the string of array. So for that, go to the data containers, click on this array and kept here. Again go to the string palette, click on the string control and put into the array. Now this is our string of array. Now write anything like names. Now select this, make it size large so that it can be visible to us. Okay, increase the size horizontally. Okay, now this is okay. Now come to this block diagram window, right click, go to the string palette and click on this string subset and then kept here. Okay, right click on this string subset, click on this visible item and click on this label. Okay, now guys, if I talk about the function of this string subset, so this tool returns the substring of the input string beginning at offset and containing length number of characters. For example, if supposed we want this country word from this string, so for that we can use substring. Okay, now here you can see the name offset. Offset means what? Offset means for what is the beginning of that word which you want, and here is the length. Length means what? How many length of a word you want. For example, if supposed right now I want this country word, so for that I need to mention here the offset and length. So first connect this string to the available string. Now create a constant to this offset terminal and enter the beginning of that word. So measure here 0, enter the 12 because we want only the country as a substring. Okay, so the beginning of this country is from 12. Okay, and now enter the length, so create constant and now change the position of this constant and enter 7 because the 7 characters are present in this country word, and then simply create indicator. Okay, okay, create indicator, change the position of this indicator here. Okay, and then click on this run button. Now you can see. Now again go to the string palette and click on this replace substring and then kept here. Okay, right click, go to the visible item and click on this label. Okay, now let's get understand the function of this tool by an example. For example, if supposed we want to replace this word country, we have a string like India is my country, and we want to replace this word country by another word like everything. I want India is my everything. So how we can replace this word? So for that we can use this replace substring. Let's do the code. First connect this terminal to the string which already we have. Okay, now you can see here is the second terminal here, that is a substring. That means what? Which another word we want to add? Everything. So right here, right click, create constant and write everything. Okay, now you can see here is the third terminal, that is offset. Offset means what? I have already explained you. Okay, and which word we want to replace? Country. When we already know the offset of this word country, that is 12, length of the country, that is 7. So create here constant and enter 12 simply, and again create here length constant and enter 7. Okay, now here there are two output terminals of this replace string. First is result string. Enter, right click, create indicator, change the position. Okay, again here right click, create indicator and change the position. Now come to the front panel window, select this. Okay, change the position. Here is also select this, replace the substring, and um put here. Okay, select all, make it size large so that it can be visible to us, and increase the size horizontally also. Okay. Hmm. And then click on this run button. Now you can see we have successfully replaced the country word by everything. That now our string is India is my everything, and the replace word is country. Understood the function of this replace substrings. Now again go to the string palette and click on these search and replace string, and then kept here. Okay, right click, go to the visible item and label. Okay, now, if I talk about the function of this search and replace string tool, so this tool replace the specified string by new string from the overall string. For example, if supposed I want to replace this my word, so my is the specified string from this overall string by new string like one of the best country for. So this will be my new string. Let's try to do this. Okay, so you can see this is the first terminal input string. So I want to implement this tool on the this sentence, India is my everything, and this is the output of this replace substring. So first I will connect this to the replace substring. Okay, now here is the second terminal, that is search string. So create constant, and yes, I want to replace this. That means we want to replace this specified string, that is my. So enter my. Okay, now the third terminal is replace substring. So create constant and enter what you want to replace. So I want to replace one of the um uh, one of the one of the best country, country country for. Okay, now change the position of this string constant. Sorry guys. Yeah, that's great. And then here is the offset. So create constant, and now enter the offset of this mite. So this is 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So enter 9 here. Okay, 9, and then create indicator. Okay, create indicator, change the position of this indicator. Here also come to the front panel window, and mm, make it size large so that it can be visible to us. Okay, first select this, and then click on this run button. Now you can see we have successfully searching the string, that is my, and then replacing by the new word, that is new string, that is one of the best country for, and then we got the result, that is India is one of the best country for everything. So this is the function of this search and replace a string. Okay, now again go to the control string palette and click on this match pattern, and then kept here. Okay, right click, go to the visible items and click on this label. Okay, now If I talk about the function of these match patterns, so this tool search the regular expression in the available string. Okay, from the beginning at offset. Offset means what? From zero. Okay, and the regular expression will be a simple character or I can say word in the string. Okay, if this function find match with a regular expression in this string, then this function will give three results. The result will be before substring, match substring, and after substring. Okay, for example, if supposed I have this string and I want to find the one, so one will be my regular expression. Okay, and in result what I will get, I will get India is in the before substring. In match substring I will get one answer. Okay, and the remaining sentence I will get in the after substring. Okay, let's try to implement these tool in this string, that is India is one of the best country for everything, and this is the output of this result string 2, and this is result in string 2. So you can see the this is the string terminal, that means connect input. So this is our input, and this is the terminal of regular expression, and I have already explained you regular expression will be the specified character or word. So we will specify that. For example, I want to find one, so I will enter what? One. Okay, and then offset, in offset will be a zero. So just create constant. Okay, and then create indicator here. So this is what create indicator, this will be our before substring result. Okay, and then this is match substring, create indicator here. Okay. Hmm. And what this will be after substring. Okay, create indicator, simple. Now come to this front panel window, change the position of all the indicators. Okay, as well as increase their size by horizontally. Understood? Okay, this is match substring. Okay, and this is after substring. So yeah, that's good. Okay. Now click on this run button. Now and in the result what we have get, we have got the India is in the before substring, one in the match substring, okay, and remaining sentence, that means of the best country for everything in the after substring. I hope you got the function of this match substring. Okay, now again right click, go to the string palette and click on this match regular expression. Okay, uh, now right click, go to the visible item and click on this label, match regular expression. And if I talk about the function of these tool match regular expression, so the function is same like the match pattern. Okay, but the difference is this tool split the string into three substrings and a number of sub matches. Okay, so let's try to implement. First connect this input string to the available string. Okay, and then this is our regular expression, so create constant. I already told you regular expression means what. And now in this time I want to find for. Okay, so enter for, and then simply create indicator to the before match. Hmm. Now come to this front panel window, change the position. Okay, see, I'm explaining here the functions of some tools. So that's what I'm designing this UI like that. Okay, so don't do this. Okay, now click on this run button. You can see the regular expression is the for is the for is our regular expression. So whole match is for, and in string before match is the India is one of the best, and then after match is everything. Okay, as I already told you, we can split this into number of strings. So right click. Okay, and you can see here is the number of substrings. Okay, but right now we don't need, so just decrease here. Okay, cancel this. I think it is enough for this video. Thank you so much. If you really like this video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for the notification of new videos. And if you want to learn the lab view, please contact with me. Okay, so we'll meet in the next session. In my next video I will cover the remaining tools from this string palette. Okay, thank you so much.